Immutability means that once a variable is assigned a value, it cannot be changed. So in JavaScript, if I wanted to make a variable immutable, I would use the const keyword. However, this doesn't work for objects and arrays, since const only prevents the variable from being reassigned, meaning the contents of the object or the array can still be changed. As you can see, even though the person variable is a constant, I can still change the data. This can be fixed, however, using the object freeze method. Object freeze prevents the person object from being changed. This only provides shallow immutability, meaning if the person object contains nested objects, these objects can still be changed. As you can see here, even though the person object is frozen, the data of the nested info object can still be changed. To fix this, we need something that provides deep immutability, and right now in JavaScript, there's no built-in way to do that. You could use a library like immutable.js or create a custom function to do this. However, there is a proposal for something called a record, which allows you to make deep immutable objects. If we used a record instead of object freeze, we'd be able to achieve deep immutability.